Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick review of one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. It's also one of my first eyeshadow palettes, the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. This came out a long while ago, but it's still one of my favorite palettes and I still use it quite a bit. So I thought of doing a quick review about it, and also I haven't seen many Indian YouTubers talk about this, so I really wanted to do it on my channel. Palette comes in a cardboard box like this, with a designing which instantly reminds you of a patisserie. I bought this for about 69 Singapore dollars. The actual eyeshadow palette of course comes in a metallic case shaped as a chocolate bar, and it does smell like chocolate as it contains 100% natural cocoa powder in it. The palette comes with one nice big mirror and 16 eyeshadows, 2 of which are larger size than the rest of them. So let's take a closer look at the palette.
The chocolate bar comes packaged in this cardboard box with pink, brown and gold designing, which instantly reminds you of a vintage chocolate shop or a pastry shop. On the side of the box, the ingredients are mentioned very clearly. When you flip over the box, you can see the images of the eyeshadows with the names mentioned clearly. The images are actually true to shade, that means what you see is what you get, but the real eyeshadows are even prettier. The actual eyeshadow palette is a metallic palette in the shape of a chocolate bar with the same color scheme as the cardboard box, that is brown, gold and pink. At the back you have the same information mentioned as was on the cardboard box. When you open up the palette, you can see 16 eyeshadows. The smaller ones are of 0.95 grams each, and the 2 bigger ones are 2.2 grams each. You have 5 matte shades and the rest are shimmer. The names of the eyeshadows are mentioned above each pan. All the names are chocolate inspired and sound quite yummy. The palette has magnetic closure and is pretty safe and sturdy to travel with. It's sleeker than its previous variant. I believe the earlier one was a little bit thicker than this. It also comes with a glamour guide which shows 3 different eye looks that you can do with it, which is really beginner friendly.
Okay, so before we get into the swatches, I wanted to talk about the shades a little bit. All of the shade names are mentioned on the palette as you've seen, and I simply love that because sometimes eyeshadow palettes come with one of those transparent thingies which go at the top, and then you always tend to lose them and then you don't know which shade is which one. But these ones are all mentioned on the palette, so you would always know which shade you are putting. Secondly, this is a really good mix of shimmers as well as mattes. It's really hard to get a good matte texture, but Too Faced has really done a good job with it because all the matte shades, they blend beautifully. Out of the 16 shades, there are 2 shades which I found a little bit patchy. However, they were still quite blendable. You can see on my eyes, I am a total eyeshadow virgin, I would say, because I don't use eyeshadows much and I don't work with them much, so even a beginner like me can get results like this, which I think is wonderful. It's all thanks to the amazing formula of these eyeshadows. All the eyeshadows are quite pigmented, they go on really buttery smooth, but one of them is so amazing. It's like the best eyeshadow that I've ever touched. Magical really, because when you touch it, it just slips on and it goes extremely opaque just in one swipe. It's amazing. And I'm talking about this shade right here, which is called Marzipan. Another favorite shade of mine is right here, which is called the Gilded Ganache. This is amazing again because it's got this olive kind of an undertone to it, burnt brown and olive. I haven't seen a shade like this ever, and it's one of those shades which you can just simply put on your lids like this and kind of blend it out over the crease, and that's it. It can really do, like, you can do one shadow look with this. I have swatched all of these row wise. That means the first row, then the second row, then the third row.
Starting from the left, first one is Gilded Ganache, White Chocolate, Milk Chocolate, Black Forest Truffle and Triple Fudge. Out of these, White Chocolate and Milk Chocolate and Triple Fudge are matte. The next row, starting from the left, is Salted Caramel, Marzipan, Semi-Sweet, Strawberry Bonbon, Candied Violet and Amaretto. Out of these, Salted Caramel and Semi-Sweet are both matte. Marzipan is my favorite shade from the entire palette. This is just one swipe of the shadow. It's highly pigmented and super creamy and buttery. Last row guys, starting from the left, Hazelnut, Creme Brulee, Hot Chocolate, Cherry Cordial and Champagne Truffle. Cherry Cordial is one of the most unique shades in the palette as it's matte finish with pink and violet micro glitter. Also, I think the last one, that is Champagne Truffle, would make an amazing face highlight as well.
Swatches have been done on a primer, so you can totally see the pigment popping out. The reason I chose this palette over and above the Naked palettes by Urban Decay is because this one has neutrals and a little pop of color as well, and it does have these amazing rosy pink colors as well. These shadows have absolutely no fallout as against the Naked Urban Decay Naked palettes. When I swatched them, there was quite a bit of glitter fallout on them. That's why I chose this one over that. However, this one does not come with any primer. It does not come with any eyeshadow brush, which is okay by me because I anyways use my MAC paint pot as a primer and I have my eyeshadow brushes. But if you are just starting out or if you need a refill on those things, then you might consider buying the Urban Decay Naked palettes. They were about 83 Singapore dollars and this one 69 Singapore dollars. But you do get an eyeshadow primer and an eyeshadow brush with those ones, so if that is something you want, then you may want to consider those as against this one. This one smells like chocolate. That's enough reason for me to choose this one over those or any other thing. I love this. Chocolate Bar was the first of the series that Too Faced came out with. After that they came out with many more, like the Semi-Sweet, the Sweet Peach palette and the Bonbon ones. Semi-Sweet one is more cool toned, and the peach one, Sweet Peach, has of course all peachy shades, and the Bonbon palette is almost like this one. The eyeshadow pans are heart shaped, but that one was not available at the time, so I picked this one up. All of them have really good pigmentation. When worn with a primer like the MAC Paint Pot, they easily last for 8 to 10 hours on me, which is like a miracle because my eyelids are quite oily and everything I put on them generally tends to just slip away or slide off. Here is another look I've done with this palette. It's called the Semi-Sweet look. For this I used the Salted Caramel all over my crease to the brows. then I sweeped a little bit of this strawberry bonbon color all over my lid, and then I applied a little bit of this candied violet on the outer corner, and then I just blended all of it in using this semi-sweet shade right here. You can do several type of looks with this, maybe for the night or an everyday look like I'm wearing today. So overall guys, I just love this palette. You can use this every day. It's really versatile and the quality of the eyeshadows is phenomenal. Only downside is it's not available readily in India right now, but Too Faced should be coming to India very soon. So if you do get a chance to grab this one for your vanity, then please go ahead and buy it. You will not regret it. This is one of my most favorite purchases. I'm going to cherish this forever. I love it. So I hope you like this video and this review guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.